Hello everyone, it's me Josephine Sneha. Hope you're all doing well. This video is specially meant for those who want to give their PhD entrance examination either this year or in the next cycle. A common tip would be that irrespective of which university, whichever subject you might be pursuing, a syllabus for PhD entrance would be NET syllabus only. Now moving on to English literature. Not everyone will be very sure that they'll be actually pursuing PhD, so they will not have enough time to prepare during their PG days. It happens rarely. But if you are in your first year of PG degree or in your second year, then try to make sure that whether you'll be pursuing PhD or not, because if that's the case, then you have like much time to prepare for it, because since it is the UGC syllabus itself, you can prepare for both. If you're preparing for NET examination, then obviously you'll be able to clear this exam as well. As stated earlier, not many will know that they'll be actually pursuing PhD. Till they are applying, they won't be sure. If you're like that, keep watching it till the end. Even though there is a new regulation that states that you need to pass the NET examination in order to get admission for PhD, not many of the universities follow it. Instead, they have their own examinations, of course. First, you need to be thorough with the syllabus, and if you do not have enough time, probably you have like only 1 month or 2 weeks left, then the only thing you can do is go for previous year question papers. Any second thoughts, revise all the previous year question papers related to NET examination. And there are also cases where they have questions taken from these kind of examinations. So the questions will be in MCQ format only. So it is better to go through these MCQ books or objective type questions, any kind of book that is available in the market. Only few universities kind of give an idea about what kind of questions they will ask. The rest will follow the same pattern only. Even though I'm not okay with these kind of bulky books, I would say for these kind of entrance examination, these books will be your best friend. If you have 1 month to cover, then I think this book would be a better option. You can get a compiled version like this so that it will be easy and you can quickly go through it all at once. For an entrance exam, the topic of importance will be British literature, because it could be NET or any other competitive examination. British literature plays a major role, so you need to be aware of it. At least try to go through the history of English literature book that you would have already studied in your undergraduate program. And the next topic of importance will be Indian literature, so you need to know the basics, and they'll cover Commonwealth, which will include all kinds of literature as well. And then try to study cultural studies. This one is very important, literary theory and criticism. Since you'll be pursuing PhD, you need to be thorough with the literary theories, etc. They could ask you contemporary theories as well. Since you'll be pursuing research, you should be thorough with the research methodology. You can go through your MLA handbook as well, which you would have used for your MA project and also for a paper, right? Yes, this would do. If you cover British literature, Indian literature, literary criticism, theory, research methodology, and if time permits, you can also cover major writers, etc. If you feel like this is so much to cover, you can simply stick on to British literature, Indian literature, and research methodology itself. You'll definitely pass. No matter what happens, go for previous year question papers related to NET examination. So that's all. Keep preparing. Best wishes for your entrance examination and join the PhD club soon. With that, stay safe and make healthy choices. Bye.